Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open the P9 Lite 2070 version. This operation is quite easy, but you have to get the plastic tool to open the back cover, and you have to get a hair dryer for this operation. If you don't have the plastic key, you should use a credit card or some other plastic to get in this part of the phone. So let's get started. First you have to get hot your back cover. Okay, it's very hot. Now you get the plastic tool put into the glass in the frame. This is the hardest part of our video. Yes, we got this. And you need to cut over the phone the glue from the back cover. Do it carefully to don't destroy anything from the phone. Especially back cover. Or okay, because this is glass, and carefully you should assemble this part, or you don't need. If you only change the battery, you should take back these two screws. Let's get it off from the phone, because I'm gonna be disable the battery from the motherboard. And voila, here you have a connector to the battery. You should get it off, and phone will be replaced, the battery as new. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!